guys, we are here at Computex 2024 and I have a very interesting item to show you from ROG. This is an all new upgraded Ally X 2024 edition, guys. So let me give you like a closer look and tell you what exactly is new on the new Ally X compared to the older Ally as well. We have both the units over here. So the white one is your older model, guys, last year's model ROG Ally. We've already unboxed and made a review on this product. Now coming to the newer gen model, here's how it looks like. So the brand new ROG Ally X comes in this matte greyish black sort of color finishing and has a very similar look and feel, guys. Almost like 80-90% the whole look and feel is same. Only difference, it's slightly curved body over here, giving you a little bit more ergonomic feel when you're holding it in the hand. And I can feel that the body is slightly a bit thicker, you know, to add up for the whole ergonomics and comfort. And if you ask about the hardware and specs and configuration, right, as I've told you, 90% of the whole hardware configuration is like very similar to the last year's model. You're getting a 7-inch IPS display, touchscreen is there, same refresh rate, almost everything is same, even the CPU is the same. You're getting AMD's Ryzen Z1, Z1 Extreme, same CPUs. Only difference you can see is you're getting like upgraded RAM and also storage. So coming from the previous gen, here you're getting almost like 24 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and even the storage has been upgraded to almost like 1 TB. So definitely adds up. You can add more number of games, keep on playing without deleting your whole stuff. And one more thing they've actually updated is, previously you used to have like an XG mobile slot over here, right, where you could add that external graphics dock. Now instead of that, you're getting 2 Type-C ports at the backside, and one of them even supports Thunderbolt 4.0 as well. Anyways, let me give you like a closer look and show you. This is how the ROG Ally X looks like. And one major thing I forgot to mention is you're also getting like a big improvement on the battery section as well. Last year you only had like a 40 watt-hour battery, right? Now you're getting almost like double the powerful battery. 90 watt-hour battery is included. So more gaming time and sessions. Back profile view of the gaming console. So that is pretty much it, our complete overview and what exactly is new on the ROG Ally X. Now let's wait and see when this hits the Indian market. I'll definitely get my hands on it, like an unboxing and detailed gaming benchmarks review for you people. Stay tuned.